Okay, so welcome to the Handyguys. We've been talking about the Lutron system, the Caseta system of wireless slash electrical.
Caseta.
Caseta. We're not sure how to pronounce it, but it's this new smart switch technology from Lutron.
Right.
And as part of this technology, we've noticed a lot of things. They have switches that are very interesting. This is a whole switch. It could just be stuck on the wall practically.
Right. This is their remote. They call it the Pico Remote control, Paul. And what this does, I mentioned in another video, is allows you to turn a normal circuit into a three-way circuit or a four-way circuit. So you can use this you can get a little stand for this, put it on your coffee table or next to your couch, or you can get a little wall plate bracket that lets you mount a remote like that into a normal wall plate. So
into a normal electrical box?
Into a normal electric box, or even next to a normal electrical box.
So you wouldn't necessarily need to put in an additional wall box to get this, and we're going to show you that right now, right?
So I'll show you that right now in my office. So what I've done here, Paul, is I've mounted the Caseta Pico Remote control into this switch plate cover, and then mounted it right next to my existing switch.
So it looks like you have a single gang box, a
single gang
switch.
box is just the on-off for this room, and I mounted the Pico Remote right next to it.
So basically you've added a switch to control lights that are outside this room, and this new switch has no physical connection
to those lights,
but it talks wirelessly to the other switch that does have a physical connection.
Exactly.
Interesting. Or multiple switches, depending on how you program it.
Or multiple. So this could be programmed to turn on and off all lights in the basement or just some of them.
Interesting. So there you have it. That's the Pico Remote, and that's what makes this system sort of powerful, because you can easily add remotes. You could put this on a stand on a table. You don't even have to put it on a wall.
That's right. But you will need the wall plate bracket if you're going to mount it into a
traditional box.
Right? Into a traditional box like that. Right.
Cool. And it all uses the Decora faceplate, so you have to go with those. So cool. Thanks for that tip on the Pico Remote from Lutron, and that's using the Caseta technology. So cool. Thanks for watching the Handyguys.
Thanks for watching.